We've been invited to the track to race our 991 Generation 2 Turbo S against a 992 Turbo S. The 992 is a cab that has a DME tune as well as downpipes. Our 991 Generation 2 Turbo S has Champion 100 octane file and 2B exhaust. We're looking forward to seeing how the 991 stacks up against the 992, and we're heading to the track now. Again, thanks to the guys at Champion Motorsports, Tom, Vic, Victor, and Jonathan, all the guys in the back. Really appreciate your hard work.